Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good. This is Priyanka, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the topic environment and we have already learned about our land and the use of land. Today, we will learn about the water and the uses of the water. So, the topic for the day is water. But before going to start our session, let's listen a story. The name of the story is Water for Me. Come and join in. Come and use water when you are feeling thirsty. Drink, drink, drink water. When your hands are dirty, wash, wash, wash with water. When you are feeling hungry, cook, cook, cook in water. When you are happy, come, swim and play in water. Water is so precious. Let's learn to save it. Yes, students, after the story, now open your book, Udall's book number 5 at page number 49. Sources of water. Look at the picture and let's talk about the different sources of water. Rain, waterfall, river, lake, sea and well. Yes, students, do you know about the water we drink? From where does it come? Yes, you can see the water in water bottles, RO machines, jug. But from where does it come from? From where does it come? Students, we get water from various sources around us like rain. We get the water from rain, well, pond, rivers, lakes and seas. Yes, these all are the sources of water. Yes, have you ever seen any of these? Look at the picture and try to identify the name of these sources. Now, let's recite the rhyme. Water, water everywhere. Yes, recite the rhyme. Water, water everywhere. Water, water everywhere. Waste no water anywhere. Water, water everywhere. Waste no water anywhere. Sow a seed and water it. See a lovely plant from it. Sow a seed and water it. See a lovely plant for it. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Take a bath and you can sit. Take a bath and you can sit. Looking cheerful, bright and fit. Looking cheerful, bright and fit. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Yes, after reciting the rhyme, now let's open your book at page number 50. What is the uses of water? Yes, look at the picture and what are the uses of waters? Look here. Here is a woman and she is washing the dishes with the help of water. A girl is drinking the water. A boy is taking bath by water. A man is washing the car and the other man who is gardener is watering the plants. These all are the various uses of waters. Yes, students, look at the people and their actions, what they are doing, and the objects also. These all uses of waters. Now let's do an activity, and for the activity, collect objects collect objects from your house and count 19 objects from them. Now draw 19 on a sheet of paper and fill the color in it. Fill beautifully. Now open your book at page number 51. Number 19. Count aloud and trace the number. Yes, look here. 19 have written. You have to trace the number 19 firstly on tracing, and after that into the given boxes. Write in the given boxes number 19 with the help of your pencil, but neatly. Now after this, let's do another activity, and for the activity we need a tub. Yes, students, take a tub and fill the water in it. Fill it with the water. Now collect some objects. Objects like plastic toys, cups, stones, rubber toys, etc. and keep these all objects into the water. Now look carefully. Some objects are at the bottom of the tub and some are on the top of the water. Why? Do you know the reason? Do you know why it is? Now take out the objects one by one and weight them. Some objects sink and some can float because of weight. Yes, the main reason is weight of the different weight of the objects. Now open your book at page number 52. Counting the number of leaves. Number 19. Count the number of leaves on this tree, then color them. Yes, students, look here. Here are the leaves, blank spaces of leaves. You have to count the 19 number and color the leaves, but only 19 leaves you have to color. After doing this page, students, now this is your free time. Go and play which game you want to play. After playing, come back and recite the rhyme water, water everywhere. We have already learned. Recite the rhyme at least 2 or 3 times. Now students, have you enjoyed the session? Stay safe, stay home and stay safe. Stay connected with your teacher. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.